Hello, everyone! Welcome to the Magic Python channel. We are continuing our series of short videos on learning PySpark. In the previous video, we launched Spark in Databricks and executed our first line of code. Today, we will take our first real step toward data engineering. We will create a real data set of user events, just like it looks in real products. This is the kind of data that data engineers work with every day. What we will be modeling, imagine that we have a mobile game. Each user action is an event: install, login, start game. Purchase, watch ad, such data is called event logs. In reality, there can be millions or even billions of such events. Today, we will create a small example of such a dataset manually. Creating data. In Databricks, create a new cell and write the following code. This is a list of tuples. Each tuple is one record. The structure is as follows: user ID, event type, event date, platform. Now let's create a Spark DataFrame. Columns equals user underscore id, event underscore type, event underscore date, platform. df equals spark.create DataFrame data, columns, and now let's take a look at it. df.show. You will see a table. This is a Spark DataFrame. What is a DataFrame in Spark? A DataFrame in Spark is a distributed table. It looks like a regular table. Rows are records, columns are fields. But in reality, it can be distributed across a cluster. Can store billions of rows, is optimized by the Spark engine. In other words, it is not just a table in Python memory. It is an abstraction over distributed data. Now, a very important step. Let's look at the data structure. df.printSchema. You will see user ID long, event type string, event date a string, platform string. A schema is a table structure. In production systems, the schema is critically important because it defines data types. It affects performance. It affects the accuracy of calculations. How Spark determines types? Spark automatically determined the data types. But it is important to understand, event date is currently a string. In reality, it should be a date or a timestamp. In the following videos, we will learn how to work with data types correctly. Real scale. We currently have 7 records. But imagine 7 million, 70 million, 700 million. And the code will remain the same. That's the power of Spark. A small practical step. Let's check the number of records. df.count. This is our first action. Spark actually performs the calculation and returns 7. Today we created a real event dataset, created a Spark DataFrame, looked at the table, examined the schema, performed the first action, and it already looks like a real data engineering task. Homework: I want you to add 3 new users. Add a new event type, for example, start game. Check the number of rows using count. Write in the comments, what event did you add? And what is the number of records now? In the next video, we will start working with columns, select, filter, and the first transformations. Subscribe to the Magic Python channel and see you in the next video.